Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you my Rubik's Cubes. So, thank you, watcher. Got this about 5 days ago. As you can see, I'm really good with it. And then we go get my favorite thing, my Pyramix. So I cannot find my Pyramix, so I just found my 3x3. This one has very good quality. It is a speed cube. It's not one of those Rubik cubes. Yeah, it's not one of those. Think a lot of speed. Would use this. So yeah. 2x2 and 3x3. 3x3, 2x2. 3x3. Yeah! Okay. Also, the glasses I want to talk about. Buy Rubik's Cubes. Ran away. Right here. So yeah, I made these today. Yeah. Don't think you guys know. I don't know if I said this or not, but I really like Lego. So I made this, and yeah, this is my second ever video. So yeah. I'm gonna try and find my Pyramix. Guys, I found my Pyramix. I've never solved this one or my 3x3. So I have solved my 2x2 like 5 times. I don't know how many. I got all 3 of these for $13. All 3 of these. All 3 of these. So yeah. Oh, sorry. Let me show you a picture. I'm gonna show you. Yeah, the Spider-Man. And then, so guys, I'm getting off topic. Hold on. Let me. Can you focus on that? There. There's my tattoo. So yeah. Grab your money. Go to the store and buy those Rubik's Cubes. Okay, guys. I am done talking about my Rubik's Cubes and everything else. See you guys in the next video.